Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you follow everyone on your Threads account. So at first just go to your Threads. Now in the Threads click the bottom last your profile icon. Now click the top right the 2 dash icon here. Now click the third option here, privacy. Now click on profiles you follow. Now here you will see a see all option here, click on it. Now here you can see in the bottom follow all option. By just clicking it you can follow everyone you follow on your Instagram account. Now click on confirm. And that's how you can follow everyone on your Threads account. So guys, hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.